Multiplying polynomial expressions. Our objectives: multiplying binomial using distributive property, multiplying binomial using FOIL method, multiplying polynomials, modeling with polynomial multiplication. So first, multiplying using distributive property. So I want to remind you with the distributive property, if I have a plus b times x minus y, I'll multiply the first term here with the second bracket and the second term with the second bracket also. So a will be multiplied by x, then a will be multiplied by negative y, b will be multiplied by x, and b will be multiplied by negative y. So it's going to be ax, negative ay, positive bx, negative by. Okay, so let's try. X plus 5 times x plus 2. So first, the x will be distributed to x plus 2, and the 5 also will be distributed to x plus 2. So x multiplied by x plus 2 and 5 will be multiplied by x plus 2. So it's going to be x times x and x times 2, 5 times x and 5 times 2. So x times x is x squared, x times 2 will be 2x, 5 times x will be 5x, and 5 times 2 will be 10. We have to combine the like terms here, the 2x and the 5x. So 2x plus 5x will be 7x. If I don't have like terms, so it's fine, it will be my final result, but I have to check for simplifying. I have to check for like terms to be combined together. Next question, 2x plus 4, x plus 3. So I have to distribute 2x times the x plus 3 and the 4 times the x plus 3. So 2x multiplied by x and 2x multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by x, and 4 multiplied by 3. So 2x times x is 2x squared, 2x times 3 will be 6x, 4 times x will be 4x, and 4 times 3 will be 12. Do I have a like terms here? Yes, I have the 6x and the positive 4x. So when I combine them now, it will be 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. Let's work out this one. So I'll take the x, will be distributed to this bracket, and then the 1 will be distributed also to this bracket. So x times x minus 2 plus the 1 multiplied by x minus 2. So x times x, I'm going to distribute the x among this bracket. So x times x will be x times x and x times the negative 2 plus the 1 times x and the 1 times the negative 2. So x times x will be x squared, x times negative 2 will be negative 2x, 1 times x will be x, and 1 times negative 2 will be negative 2. Then I'll combine the like terms. I have here negative 2x and x. So the x squared as this. Here, different signs, I'll subtract and take the sign of the greatest. So 2 is the greatest, so negative. 2 minus 1 will be 1, so it's x. So it's negative x, negative 2, and here is my final result. Then we're going to use FOIL method. What's FOIL method? So if I have x squared plus 3 and x plus 2, the FOIL method is putting them in order or solving by order. So first, here's first, outer, inners, then last. So the first terms, the outer terms, the inner terms, and the last. So let's solve them together here. X squared plus 3 multiplied by x plus 2. So the first thing is first. So x squared times x will be x cubed. Then outers x squared times the 2 will be positive 2x squared. Then the inners 3 times x will be positive 3x. Then the last, which is the 3 times the 2, will be 6. And do I have like terms? No, so this is my final result. Let's try this one. Let's put FOIL in front of me. I'm going to do first. So 3x squared times x will be 3x cubed. 3x times x will be 3x cubed. So I finished the first. Then the O, which is outer. So 3x squared times the 5 will be positive. 3 times 5, 15. Then x squared. I finished outer. Then inner. So here's the first. Here is the outer. And here is the inner. Negative 2x times x will be negative 2x squared. Then I finished the inner, then the last. So the last negative 2x times 5 will be negative 10x. So here's the last. Then, do I have like terms? Yes, I do. So I have here positive 15x squared and negative 2x squared. So 3x squared, x cubed, sorry, 15x squared, negative 2x squared. Different signs, I subtract and take the sign of the greatest, which is positive. Then 15 minus 2 will be 13x squared, and the negative 10x as it is. Okay, work out this. FOIL. First, x cubed, outer 6x plus x, 6 plus x squared times x, sorry, 6 x squared times 6 will be 6x squared. Then inners 3 times x will be 3x. Then last 3 times 6 will be 18. Do I have like terms? No, I don't. Multiplying polynomials. So I have here a binomial with a polynomial. So it's the same thing as distributing. So the x will be distributed to the whole bracket and the 2 will be distributed to the whole bracket. So as if it's x multiplied by x squared minus 5x plus 4 plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 5x plus 4. So x times x squared will be x cubed. X times negative 5 and negative 5x will be negative 5x squared. Then x multiplied by 4 will be positive 4x. Then go to the second one. 2 times x will be 2x squared. 2 times negative 5x will be negative 10x. 2 times 4 will be 8. Do I have like terms? The x cubed as it is. I have here negative 5x squared and positive 2x squared will be negative 3x squared. Okay, then I have 4x and negative 10x will be negative 6x. Then the last thing is positive 8. Okay, 3x minus 5 negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. So I'll multiply. So I'll distribute first 3x, multiply the whole bracket, and negative 4 multiply the whole bracket. So 3x multiplied negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. Then plus negative 4 negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. Then I'm going to multiply 3x times negative 2x squared will be negative 6x cubed. 3x times 5x will be positive 15x squared. 3x times negative 6 will be negative 18x. Negative 4 times negative 2x squared will be positive 8x squared. Negative 4 times positive 5x will be negative 20x. Negative 4 times negative 6 will be negative 24. Then I'll combine like terms here. I have negative 6x cubed as it is. 15x squared and 8x squared will be positive 23x squared. Then negative 18x and negative 20x will be negative 38x. Then negative 24 as it is. Modeling with polynomial multiplication. So here, Trina is building a garden. She designed a rectangular garden with length x plus 4 feet and width x plus 1 feet. So I have a rectangular garden, length x plus 4 and width x plus 1. When x equals 4, what is the area of the rectangle? So first, to get the area, I have to multiply. Remember that the area will be length times width. So I have the length is, the area will be x plus 4, which is the length, times the width, which is x plus 1. Then I'm going to multiply them. So remember, FOIL, it's the easy way. First, which is x squared, outer, x times 1 is x, inner, 4 times x is 4x, then last, 4 times 1 is 4. So it will be x squared, like terms, x and 4x will be 5x plus 4. He said that when x equals 4, so at x equals 4, I'll substitute with the x equals 4. So a will be 4 squared plus 5 times 4 plus 4. So 4 power 2 will be 16 plus 5 times 4 will be 20. Then plus 4. So 16 plus 20 plus 4 will be 40 feet squared. And thank you very much.